Hello friends, today we are going to learn creation of view definition. Actually we are going to learn how we create our section. Actually for further work for creating the ore body modeling and waste body modeling, first we have to create sections on our drill holes. So for creating the section, first we have to create view definition. Actually view definition is the view of the cross section, and how we create a view of the cross section, here we will learn. We are creating view definition on our drill hole file. So the first step will load the drill hole file in design window. Then set our drill hole in section view, and then we will apply the clipping limit. After applying the clipping limit, we will save our view in view definition file. For save our view in view definition file, we have to type SVI. Actually we have to click in design window and then type on our keyboard SVI. This is the command for save the save our view, and after save our view, a view definition table will create in loaded data. Here we try to understand how this command will work. Here we can see our drill hole file is loaded, and we can see our drill hole file in design window. Now we will go to the 2 point. Here we can see the 2 point command and applying in drill hole file 2 point command. After take the 2 point command, we will click at both the end of the section of the first section of our drill hole file. We will get this window now, and we will choose vertical. Now our borehole file will come in section cross sectional view. Here we can see the cross sectional view of our bore holes. Now we will set the clip limit. Now we will set the clip limit as per our grid space. Here we can see we are setting the grid 50 by 50 clipping limit. Now we have a cross sectional view of our drill hole file. Now we will go to save this cross sectional view by click in the design window and type SVI. So we will get this window. This is the information of our cross sectional view. Here we can see the coordinate of the view of our view and azimuth of our view, and here we can see the clip limit which we have given: front clip limit 50 and back clip limit 50. This is the information which we are going to save. So this information will save in view definition. Here we can see in loaded data view definition file. After right click on view definition file, we will save as the file. The file will come in section definition folder, which will save in project menu bar. Here we can see how we have prepared our section lines. So by offset command and expand in determine, it is the expand command, we can create our section in particular grid. For this we have to create first string object. Like here we can see our string object come in loaded data. Then we will create our first section. Here we can see our first section we will create like this. Then we will go to the expand command. It is in string tool in design. Then we will set the distance or grid distance as we required. Then click one by one how we can create our section lines. Now we will learn the GVI command for view our section in design window. For this we will type GVI in design window, and in command box we can see number of the section. Here it is a one number of the section. By changing the number 1, 2, 3, 4, we will get the section one by one in design window for working further. So friend, this is how we can create our section, and on this section further we will made our ore body and waste body. So friend, if you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you getting any problem, please type me in comment box. I will try my best to solve the problem.